You've seen the viral videos, the quick fix shorts. My YOB battery is dead. The charger said it's faulty. Here's a quick trick to revive it with a wire and an old charger. Stop right there. That trick is a thermal runaway time bomb waiting to go off. It's a life-saving safety feature. The video is claiming that tool manufacturer like YOB is putting a hidden code or a planned obsolescence to break your batteries. Well, technically that's true, but there's a hiding reason behind it that they don't tell you in those videos. Every lithium-ion battery pack, the one in your drill, your phone, your car, has a battery management system, a BMS. His job is to babysit your cells. If you leave a battery in a tool or uncharged for too long, the voltage in the cells can drop too low. We call that the discharge. Once the cell hits a critical low voltage, the BMS does exactly what it's supposed to do. It permanently shuts off the power flow. It isolates the cells to prevent catastrophic damage. It's not your battery failing, it's your BMS saving your house from a fire. When a lithium cell is pushed into a deep discharge, it causes irreversible internal damage. Specifically, the structure of the negative electrode breaks down, and the copper from the current collector can start dissolve. When you use a hack to force a charge back into a damaged cell, you create the perfect condition for lithium dendrite to grow. Dendrite is a microscopic needle-like spike of metallic lithium that sprouts from the anode. These dendrites become a major problem because they can easily pierce to separator membranes, the thin insulating layer between the positive and negative side. Dispersing creates an internal short circuit inside the battery cell, bypassing all the safety layers. Thermal runaway is the ultimate danger. That intense short circuit is its direct trigger. The short generates intense heat, and because the battery chemistry is already compromised by the dendrite, the thermal runaway temperature is dramatically lower. The cell begins to vent highly toxic flammable gases, leading to fire and often explosion. And here's the scariest part. The failure doesn't always happen during the hack. The short circuit can ignite later while the battery is fully charged and sitting unattended in your shop. And this is why the manufacturer charger rejects the battery. A genuine OEM charger is a smart charger with a microprocessor that first tests the cells. Those viral hacks use unregulated power source to charge the battery cell and bump it up too much power into that cell that's already chemically compromised. The bottom line is simple. If your genuine BMS controller charger rejects the battery due to deep discharge, the battery is permanently damaged. Don't try to revive it. Don't risk your life, your property, your family's safety. All this for a battery? Just recycle it.